Gymnastics doctor is headed to prison. Larry Nassar pleaded guilty to child pornography today. Those charges are only the first of what promises to be many court appearances for the man once considered a legend in sports medicine. Barton Dieters was in federal court today, and he joins us now in studio. Barton.
Sue, Larry Nassar will give up his medical license, be placed on the sexual offender registry for life, and face as much as 60 years in prison. But for his dozens of alleged victims, that's just not enough.
Larry Nassar did his undergraduate work at the University of Michigan before he got his MD from MSU and became a doctor there working in osteopathic and sports medicine. He would then become a physician working with USA Gymnastics, which has sent many medal winners to the Olympics. That included Rachel Den Hollander, who 17 years ago was a Kalamazoo teen seeking help with wrist and back problems.
He digitally penetrated me repeatedly for extended periods of time.
Today, he pleaded guilty to downloading child porn, then trying to conceal it. Charges that could result in a prison sentence of 60 years, but will more likely end with less than 30.
This plea agreement decides not to prosecute the more serious charges that carry 15 years to life.
Nassar faces 33 counts of criminal sexual conduct in mid-Michigan's Eaton and Ingham counties. Michigan Attorney General Bill Schuette announced those charges in February.
This guy is despicable. He is a monster.
Another 119 women so far have filed civil suits against Nassar, including 65 represented by attorney Stephen Drew, who was at today's Grand Rapids federal court hearing.
They are going through a special type of trauma. When things happen to you as a child, it stays with you in different ways for life.
Drew said his clients are not happy that the more serious charges were not pursued by the feds.
They want to make sure in coming forward, and this is not easy for them, that he does not get out of jail or prison and be able to do this again, supervised or not.
Some of the charges Nassar faces in state court carry a maximum sentence of life in prison. They can be sentenced consecutively. If convicted, it's unlikely that Nassar will be getting out of prison. In studio, Barton Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.